How about some Joe Pike music here? So actually what I was doing is putting in the gate reactor rod just as a mock-up, and I had to reset the propane tap here, move it about 4 feet forward because I had it joined in the back here. What was happening was causing too much back pressure, and the whole thing was, you know, when I lit it was light okay, but when I pulled back the propane, it'd go back and you get these cannon fires. I mean, they were loud. My ears are still ringing after a couple incidents. So, but check this out. You can actually see the pulsation of the flame inside. I like to be able to make a series of these holes. So what you're seeing is the level 3 kind of moving back and forth a bit, but it does pick up some kind of a pulse. So we are seeing something here. I think for a gate application, may have to go probably to this size here. Have to go to a full 2-inch ID. It gives you a little more to play around. You can always take the gate reactor rod and put some swirl devices around it. That's not going to be a problem. But definitely we have a pattern here. And you can actually see where, so you can go right into the flame here. We'll zoom right in. See here that the flame is very tight to the firewall, or the inside of the Joe pipe. They're both about the same. Nice bright blue. Fan's right on low. And here you can see flame going through. So this is actually outside the level 3. This is your level 3 here. You can actually see that it has a width, but as you give it, increase the velocity of the flame of the fan, it actually shortens the distance. And maybe we'll try this. I'm just going to turn up the fan a bit and just watch the holes. Go. Check everything up here. You'll see that it's actually turning the orange into blue. Everything is speeded up. You can see where the flame here is moved over to here. It's actually pulled the level 3 ahead. So there'll be a lot to learn. And what I like to do, and I might, if I got time today, we'll drill some holes in the top here and space them at 2 inches apart. But I may go with a smaller tap, maybe around 1/8 of an inch. Let's take a look on the inside here. So you can see the level 3 is pulsing back and forth, and that's what you're seeing on the outside. I thought the 1.5 inch would be sufficient. for a gate reactor rod, but I think it's going to have to be around 2 inch. My rule of thumb is if the gate reactor rod is X, that the pipe should be 4 times that. Whatever the drill pipe is, make a gate reactor rod around a quarter of the area or more. Okay, let's crank it up a little bit more. This was an unexpected video. We crank it all the way up now. Oh, that did it. I'll turn it down the light. Very fast response. But definitely the holes in the top are going to tell a story. Might be able to even play a flute on this. Let's give it a little more juice. We're definitely pulsing on the inside. When you look at it on through the end of the pipe, you don't really see it that much, but it does show up in the flute holes. There definitely is a pressure difference happening, and that's what the drill pipe operates on. Crank it up a little bit on the fan. Speeds up the response very fast. See that the flame here is higher than the flame here. Maybe we're going to get some kind of a waveform here happening. I'll let you know tonight. This is more or less just the intro. Oh, doing out. We'll call her there. This is just more or less a practice run, and later on today, after this cools, I'll draw a line here and probably make the spaces at 1 inch intervals. And these here, I can block them off. That won't be a problem. Okay, I'm going back inside and upload this.